This is Property Cloud, your favorite PropTech service. This is the place where we help you do virtual property site tours, wherein we take you to different properties and also tell you about the complete land parcel, the amenities, the locations, the configurations, and also show you the sample plat if it is ready. So today I'm going to tell you a complete detail about the brand new project by Prestige Group, and this is Prestige Just Done Classic, which is in Mahalakshmi. Let me first of all tell you the USPs or the connectivity of this particular place. Now from here, schools and colleges are pretty nearby, just like St. Mary's School is just about 2 kilometers from here. Not just that, the international airport is just about 18 to 19 kilometers from here, and the Western Expressway is just about 11 kilometers from this location. And even the Eastern Expressway is just about 2 kilometers, and the Mahalakshmi railway station is of course just at 1 kilometer from this place. Now Prestige Just Done Classic is going to be constructed in a total land parcel of approximately 2.14 acres, and it will have a tower that will have ground plus 35 floors of premium 3 and 4 BHK apartments. Now I'm going to tell you about the amenities. Of course, the project is going to have multiple amazing amenities like swimming pool, gymnasium, indoor clubhouse, outdoor kids play area, and a lot. And I'm sure itna sab janne ke baad you are very interested in knowing the configurations of these 3 and 4 BHK apartments. The 3 BHK begins from 1256 square feet and the price begins from 6.85 crore onwards. The 4 BHK begins from 2307 square feet and the price begins from 12.66 crores onwards. Now there are so many other things that I need to tell you about that project, but before that you need to come over here and visit it. Well, how will this work? Stay with me. I'm gonna tell you how does the booking process work. Now that you've seen the property, I'm sure you want to know how will the booking process work. Well, it's very simple. All you need to do is captions mein there is a link mentioned. You need to click on that link. Once you do that, our salesperson will get in touch with you, and as I told you, will take you on free site visits, will also help you with the booking process, brokerage free with best offers and everything else. But along with that, you need to actually first of all register. तो उसके लिए जल्दी से कीजिए कैप्शन के ऊपर क्लिक, इसमें आपको मिल सकेगी लिंक. Or do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can see the best of properties across the globe at one destination right over here at Property Cloud. Stay tuned to us for the best of properties in your town. Thank you.